day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Rosie Mejia. I'm 25 years old. I have living partner, high school graduate. I had experience as a helper in Philippines for 1 year and my second employer in Philippines also for 2 years, finished contract.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities as a helper are taking care of kids, washing clothes, cleaning, cooking, and all household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby and elderly?
I will take good care of them by cooking food for them, make sure that they are healthy and clean, and by serving them as my own.
Please tell some of your skills.
Madam and Sir, I can cook Filipino foods and I am willing to learn Chinese foods and more when it comes to cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam and Sir, it is necessary to be a hardworking person, honest, fast learner, God-fearing, multitasking, taking care of the kids as my own and can work for minimum supervision.
Anything else you want to tell to your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam and Sir, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and God bless.